Forex Strategy Factory's journey began in 2012. It, like many, was drawn to the allure of the financial markets. The promise of financial freedom, the excitement of the trade, it all beckoned. But the market, as it often does, quickly presented its harsh realities. Early trades ended in losses. The learning curve was steep. Forex Strategy Factory realized that success in trading required more than just desire. It demanded resilience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the market's intricate dance. The years that followed were marked by a constant quest for knowledge. Forex Strategy Factory immersed itself in books, devoured online courses, and spent countless hours analyzing charts. It experimented with different trading strategies, searching for an approach that resonated with its personality and risk tolerance. The losses, though painful, were valuable lessons. They forced it to confront its mistakes, refine its strategies, and develop the mental fortitude essential for navigating the market's unpredictable waves. Through it all, Forex Strategy Factory never gave up. It possessed an unwavering belief in its ability to succeed. It understood that trading, much like any other skill, required dedication and persistent effort. The setbacks, rather than deterring it, fueled its determination. It viewed each loss as an opportunity for growth, a stepping stone on the path to mastering the art of trading. The year 2019 marked a pivotal turning point in Forex Strategy Factory's trading journey. It was the year they truly internalized the importance of discipline and risk management. They recognized that emotional trading was a recipe for disaster. Impulsive decisions based on fear or greed only led to further losses. Forex Strategy Factory resolved to approach trading with a calculated and unemotional mindset. They established clear trading rules and stuck to them religiously. They predefined their risk tolerance for each trade, never risking more than 2% of their trading capital. They understood that preserving capital was paramount. It was the lifeblood of their trading operation, and protecting it was non-negotiable. Forex Strategy Factory also adopted a strict 1-to-3 reward-to-risk ratio, aiming for profits that were at least 3 times larger than their potential losses. This disciplined approach extended beyond individual trades. Forex Strategy Factory developed a comprehensive trading plan that encompassed everything from market analysis and trade selection to entry and exit strategies. They meticulously tracked their trades in a journal, documenting thought processes, the rationale behind each decision, and the outcomes. This practice allowed them to identify patterns, recognize mistakes, and continuously refine their approach. Forex Strategy Factory's trading style is a blend of technical analysis and intuition. They rely heavily on Fibonacci retracement levels, using them to identify potential support and resistance zones in the market. These mathematical ratios, derived from the Fibonacci sequence, provide them with objective price points to consider when entering or exiting trades. Complementing their use of Fibonacci tools is their custom-built Asian session range picker. This tool, a testament to their dedication to understanding market dynamics, helps them capitalize on the unique volatility patterns that emerge during Asian trading hours. However, Forex Strategy Factory recognizes that technical analysis alone is insufficient. They believe that intuition plays a crucial role in trading success. Years of experience have honed their ability to read the market's subtle cues. They have developed a feel for price action, recognizing patterns and anticipating market movements with remarkable accuracy. This intuitive sense, combined with their disciplined use of technical tools, forms the foundation of their trading edge. Forex Strategy Factory's commitment to continuous learning is unwavering. They stay abreast of market news, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that could impact their trades. They understand that the market is a dynamic entity, constantly evolving and presenting new challenges. To stay ahead of the curve, they embrace lifelong learning, constantly seeking to expand their knowledge and refine their skills. In 2022, the golden trade took on new dimensions. It wasn't just about the exchange of goods, but also the exchange of ideas and cultures. This period marked a significant shift in how we perceive value and wealth. Gold, once a symbol of opulence, became a bridge connecting diverse communities and fostering mutual respect. Music has always been a universal language, transcending barriers and bringing people together. In moments of relaxation, it serves as a soothing balm, calming the mind and rejuvenating the spirit. Whether it's the gentle strumming of a guitar or the serene notes of a piano, music has an undeniable power to heal and inspire. As we delve into the world of melodies, let's remember to take a moment to breathe, relax, and let the music wash over us.